I can fully be myself with you. I love you. I want to travel with you. And I will fight for you till the end. Hello you guys, welcome to the channel. On this channel, I make videos on how to create deep connection in your relationship, how to heal from relationship traumas, and how to create a deep connection with yourself. Today, in this video, I will share with you how you can make sure that your relationship is long lasting. There are 3 things that are very important for any relationship to last. Number 1 is respect and deep trust. If you and your partner don't respect each other, then your relationship is not going to last. What does it mean? It means that your partner is able to respect you for who you are. For example, if you are somebody who likes to make a lot of jokes and your partner is always annoyed with it, then how is it that you can be in a good relationship with them if you can't be yourself and they're not able to respect and accept who you truly are? This also brings me to the second point, which is very important for any relationship to succeed, which is that you both must have the same concept of life well lived. Meaning, if your partner loves to travel, but you are somebody who likes to have a foundation and likes to live in just one place all the time, how will this relationship succeed? So you and your partner must both either be willing to be in one place, or both of you must be willing to be traveling all the time. Similarly, if one of you wants to have children and the other doesn't, then how will this work out, right? So what a good life lived must be the same for both of you. If there are some needs and requirements that you really want to have in your life, you must really convey it to the person that you're with, or if you're going to date, make sure that they have the similar kind of ideas. Again, if you're in a space where it's not matching with your partner, there are always ways to find out agreement and resolutions in ways that can help you nurture your relationships. If your relationship is really hard, at the end of this video, I will tell you what to do to improve your relationship. No, exiting your relationship is not the answer. There is another answer that I will share, so stay tuned till the end. Coming back to the number 3rd point, it is, what does love mean to both of you? So for some people, love could just be one feeling that they feel, and another day the feeling goes away and they don't want to be with the person. So you wake up in the morning and you feel a different way and you're just like, okay, I'm leaving. But maybe for you it's completely different. You are somebody who is willing to give it till the end to make sure that your relationship works. You are never willing to give up on the person that you're with. Maybe you go for therapy, do everything to make this relationship work, right? So for you, it means growing in the relationship. For you, maybe it means that you are making sure that you both are strengthening your bond every day, putting in intention in the relationship, conscious effort to make sure that you keep loving each other, that you're safe space for each other. Relationships have a huge impact on our well-being. If you're in a good relationship, it's a strong anchor in your life. It allows you to move forward in life with ease and strength. But if your relationship is not good, it takes away the best things in your life. It takes away your peace of mind. Your nervous system is always anxious, tired, scared. You are exhausted. So it's very, very important to make sure that you fulfill all these 3 criteria in your relationship for your well-being. Coming back to the point that what if your relationship is really hard and you want to almost exit out of it, or it is something which is very painful. The pain that we face in relationships is actually the pain that we have already inside of us. So when 2 people live in a house and things come up for fighting, it's actually there are things that are insecure, there are things that are not cleared out, there are things that are not loved, there is rejection, there is fear in us, and all of this comes out when 2 people meet. So all the pain that you feel in the relationship is not just because of your partner, it's because also of what is inside you, your past, your childhood, and the purpose of a relationship must be, to be able to allow it to come and to heal it. So this is what you must be doing in your relationship as well. If there's a lot of pain, then you must start focusing on yourself and learn how to heal this pain, this rejection, fear, everything that is inside which is not serving you and allowing you to be your best self in the relationship. As we shift, either the person who is with you will start changing or they will move out of your life harmoniously. So as we change our vibration, as we change our frequency, as we change our inner self, as we change the way we behave towards the other person, as we heal our wounds, as we heal our traumas, what happens is that we start behaving in a very different way to the other person, and this shift in our inner self brings the shift in them. So if you start behaving differently, at some point either they will change or they will leave, because either they will evolve themselves or they will not be able to face your beautiful self, and if their needs of drama and pain is not met in the relationship, they will harmoniously move out. There are many ways in which both of you can grow, and that's the best way if your partner is also willing to understand and evolve with you. But your focus should be mostly on yourself, how you can change and grow in your life. And I promise you, everyone has the possibility and the capability to change and become a better version of themselves, to create harmonious relationships in their life, and to live a beautiful and peaceful life. I hope this video helps you. Do subscribe and share this video with your friends if this is something that helps you. Spread the word, and I send you a lot of love. Namaste.